man. Philadelphia to Connecticut run $700 plus this morning. Start my Monday off, start my week off right, man. Let's get to it. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna get back to everybody that commented. I got a lot of bangers dropping. I'm gonna speak up back. You know what I'm saying? So y'all know what it is, man. It's time to get this money. Stay out the way. Don't be a hater. And get more people. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, man. Let's get it.
Hey, Rick and Thad.
It's a lot going on today. So my first delivery I just got done from my direct shipper. I'm on my second one right now. It's quick 455. I gotta get some brakes done and rotors done for my front, and then I also gotta see what's up with these tires. But yesterday on the road, something cracked my windshield, so now I gotta take my windshield to go get looked at, because if I wait too long, I'm gonna have to replace the whole windshield. So on top of me having to return paperwork, because I did a $700 job yesterday for critical shipment, and there ain't no about the paperwork, so I got to drive an hour out there to handle that. But I figure, what should I do first? Get my windshield looked at. I think because I'm close to 95, I'm just gonna shoot all the way up 95, knock that out, and then get my windshield looked at, and then go get my tires done. I might have to get the tires done tomorrow or another day, but I can at least put the order in. I don't feel like waiting for the tires to get done. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. So between the brakes and tires, I don't want to wait another day, because what happens is I might get a job offer that's amazing and I just take it and I don't get the shit done. So I'm trying to get everything done while I don't got no other motion going on, and I should do it today, but we'll see how it is. Let me get rid of these boxes behind me. But this is your boy, man, Life of a Don. Like and subscribe, comment. I'm gonna reach back to everybody who's been commenting. It's been a lot going on. Been very, very busy, on top of my mentees that I've been training. So yeah, but I'm back. I got these videos coming that y'all gonna love. Some new heat. And I'm finishing my taxes on top of that. So it's a lot of shit going on, but love y'all. Let's get busy.
It's right there in the center, right? And it's very, 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 very small.
Yeah. Did you take a look at it?
Yeah, I had to take a look at it with one of the Texans are all on lunch. So
Okay. What it look like?
It's like very, very small. It's repairable, mind you. It's very, very small.
Yeah. How much?
$187.96 out of pocket.
God damn. So that it's still $187 for that small.
Don't matter the size.
All right. Jesus.
Whatever you want to do, or you can go through insurance. Sometimes they cover it, but
It's gonna be a clean.
it's gonna be a clean.
I'm just gonna have to pay out of pocket. What's the deal? It's your boy Transylvania Don, man. Y'all know what it is. Saturday morning, it's 20 degrees out this joint. I worked with Chop a year ago around this time on this event, and I'll let y'all read the email. You know what I'm saying? They requested your boy, so I'm out here. 18 miles total for $324. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good day. Y'all have to feel more for Chop, man. Your boy, man, I play no games, man. I'm on my way to the gym. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is. I'm tapped in, man. Picked up, delivered this morning. Ran the whole South Street. Ran 4 miles. Enjoyed my day with my family. Came back out here in the middle of the night at the event to pick the stuff up. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to take it back to the warehouse, another warehouse, because they wasn't sure if security would be here 24/7. Of course, I called security, asked them what the situation was. Somebody was here, asked them if they can buzz me in. No problem. They're about to open the garage. I'm about to go right to the dock, drop off. Therefore, I don't gotta deal with this Monday, the pick up and drop off, when I already got stuff going on my direct shipper on Monday. So this is beautiful. Get in, get out, make my $300. You know what I'm saying? On to the next one. Everybody request me from Chop, and they basically saying that I got a great reputation going on in the building. My name's starting to ring bells in there. So everybody gonna be calling to get some work done with me on great pay, local situation. People might ask, well, how that come about? How that happen? Looking professional, logoed up. You know what I'm saying? How I carry it, being professional. You get opportunities. You know what I'm saying? One opportunity creates another opportunity. That's how that works. You know what I'm saying? Be so good that they'll email the entire company and request you out of all drivers. What's good, boss? Appreciate you. I'll be done in probably like 15 minutes. All right, okay. Don't think for 1 second that this ain't no work. It's work. But when you love what you do, it never really feels like work. Some days is better than others. Sometimes people piss you off. Things happen. You know what I'm saying? But realize everything is subject to change. And realize you're blessed to be in a situation that you in. And you can learn from it regardless. Let's knock this shit out.
Turn me up, boy.
Yes, sir. So I just knocked this out. I've been doing work for the last 3-4 weeks. So basically, I bill my direct shipper once a month. That way, you give them some time to get their payments, to send out their invoices, to get their money. You know what I'm saying? You got your factoring companies that'll front you the bread up front, but I don't have a factory company, so I charge them once a month. And that way, it actually works out. If you're not like spending all your money, or if you got other contracts and other things going on, if you got to live off that money, then I understand why you got to, you know, but even still with that, you got to give them like at least 2 weeks. But I give my people a month, and you know, it works out because it'd be thousands of dollars that is coming in that I don't have to touch. I could actually see more of it. And, you know, you do it every 2 weeks or you do it every week, you're gonna run right through it. So that's my tip of the day. If you blessed enough to get a direct shipper, give them at least once or twice a month to pay you. You know what I'm saying? If you can't do once, then do twice, do whatever you gotta do. But that way you actually can see your money a little bit more. You're putting your money up instead of getting your money so fast that you're spending it. You know what I'm saying? So you always, it's not necessarily about what you can make, is what you can save, you know?